You only need to use the lid of the pot and you will never have to pay to clean your sofa again. To start, take a container and put 600 milliliters of warm water in it without it being too hot. Now I will add a tablespoon of liquid detergent. It can be any you have at home. We will add a tablespoon and mix it a little. Before I forget, you can tell me which country or city you are watching us from to send you a very special greeting. Today's greeting is for Norma from Nicaragua and Sonia from Mexico. Thank you for watching our recipes. I will also use alcohol. The one I am using is liquid with a volume of 70. If you have another one, you can also use it and mix a little. Now, optionally, I will add a little softener to enhance the recipe. You can use the brand of your choice. I will mix again. Then, we will incorporate a tablespoon of baking soda, a product widely recognized worldwide for its effectiveness in cleaning. And now, our big secret. We will use a clean cloth and moisten it in our recipe. We will leave it wet, but not to the point that it drips, but uniformly. Now we will place this cloth on the sofa, and once this is done, we will put the pot lid in the center. From each corner, I will make a knot towards the center, so that it looks like this. With this adaptation we made, we can clean the sofa until we leave it as new. This is my sofa. Apparently, it looks clean due to the light. However, I will pass the lid and you will realize how dirty it is. This is why allergies occur, and sometimes our skin itches due to the mites it may have. Will you dare to try this method? Observe how practical and simple it is. I will show you how dirty it is. I have been using it for a short time and look at the dirt that I have eliminated. Look at how the cloth is. It is not necessary to rub incorrectly. This is a practical way to clean. Do this trick and your sofa will be free of toxins and dirt. If you have come this far, it means that you liked it. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you are the first to receive our advice. And if you found this video useful, make it reach someone who could be of help.